Congratulations, you found it. That one Mississippi Gulf Coast home for you. That gorgeous Mississippi beach cottage, or that sprawling piece of land just a few miles inland with enough space for your horses, your workshop, your everything. The price is unbelievable. Like, why is this so cheap? Unbelievable. You've run the numbers, you've dreamed about the sunsets, you've already picked out the paint color for the porch. You're not even worried about flood insurance because the elevation certificate looks good. You're ready to make an offer that'll get accepted. And then we have the conversation with your insurance agent. And the number they give you for your annual wind premium lights your eyebrows on fire. We're not talking a few $100 more than you expected. We're talking a quote that could be 2, 3, even 4 times what you're used to paying up north or out west. An annual bill that might be more than your property taxes. Suddenly, that dream home mortgage payment that you calculated on Zillow, yeah, it just ballooned by $400, $600, $800 a month. That steal of a deal just transformed into a financial nightmare. And you're left sitting there, heart sinking, thinking, what the heck just happened? Is this for real? Did the insurance guy run the numbers wrong? Well, welcome to the Mississippi Wind Insurance Reality Check. This isn't about floods. This is about the air itself. Welcome back, everybody, to Living in Biloxi, the channel that gives you a ton of realism with a bit of heart. I'm Micah Tinkler, a 11-year realtor here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast and broker-owner of Double Wind Realty. Your Mississippi house sold, or we'll buy it. Today, I'm talking about something that surprises more new buyers than anything else on the Gulf Coast. Wind insurance. Not homeowners insurance, wind insurance. It's different down here. It's expensive, and if you're moving to Biloxi, Gulfport, Ocean Springs, Pass Christian, or anywhere in our 6 coastal counties, you're going to want to hear this before you fall in love with that cute house on the water. Stick with me. It will be worth it. I'm going to lay it out because I want you closing happy instead of stressed out within 6 months. First, why is wind insurance even a thing here? Well, because Mother Nature enjoys messing around on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. We've got hurricane season, tropical storms, and straight line winds that can peel a roof off faster than you can say evacuation order. Standard homeowners insurance, that HO3 policy that most Yankees are used to up north, usually excludes wind and hail damage down here. That's right. Your nice shiny policy from back home, it may protect you from fire, theft, and busted pipes. However, the wind that rips your shingles off or the hail that dents your siding is often excluded. After 2005's Hurricane Katrina, Mississippi created the Mississippi Windstorm Underwriting Association, often called the Wind Pool. It's the insurer of last resort for Hancock, Harrison, Jackson, Pearl River, Stone, and George counties. If a private company won't touch your wind coverage, and a lot of them, including the majors, won't, especially right on the beach, the wind pool will. Some carriers will bundle wind insurance now, and some won't. Some only write policies north of the interstate. The bottom line, you almost always end up with 2 policies at closing. Your regular homeowners and a separate wind and hail policy. The lender is going to require both, no exceptions. Flood insurance is a different animal. I recommend you watch my video on the Mississippi flood insurance apocalypse for details. And 2, and sometimes 3 policies is part of the Mississippi uniqueness that Zillow is going to fail to prepare you for when you're scrolling houses online at 2 a.m. while dreaming of sunsets, mojitos, and mint juleps, which are delicious. Now, let's talk money, because this is where it counts. Wind coverage alone may eat up 60 to 70% of your total insurance bill on the coast. I've seen it. Take a typical $300,000 replacement cost home in Biloxi or Gulfport right now in 2026. The wind pool premium, after the 16% rate increase that just hit on January 1st, you could be looking at $4,500 to $7,000 a year for wind and hail only, depending on how close you are to the water, your roof age, and the construction. Add that to your regular homeowner's policy, which may be another $2,000 to $4,000. And if you're in a flood zone, and a lot of folks are, throw in the National Flood Insurance Flood Program, which could be another $800 to $2,000, up to $10,000 that I have seen. Total annual insurance, easily 8 to 12 grand. That's the reality of Mississippi Gulf Coast homeownership. And it also factors into the rental rates. Then we discussed the deductible, which may sting a little bit. Most wind policies carry a 2% wind and hail deductible. On a $300,000 policy, that's $6,000 out of your pocket before the insurance pays a dime on wind damage. Some policies go up to 5%. So on a $300,000 home, 15 grand. Could that be your entire emergency fund? Maybe. And then the wind insurance company is going to depreciate the value of your former roof based on the age. So why the big jump this year? Well, they're kind of catching up. Private carriers pulled back after the last few rough hurricane seasons in Louisiana and Florida. While Mississippi insurance increased 30 to 40%, insurance in parts of the other states has jumped 300 to 400%. I get lots of folks in Louisiana looking to flee high insurance premiums and move to Mississippi. Now, here's the hard part. The coast remains one of the most affordable, beautiful, and family-friendly places in America. The insurance is the price of paradise. However, it may be worth it when you do it right. So, how do you keep from getting crushed? Number one, mitigation matters. A fortified roof, right? That's the gold standard wind-resistant upgrade. Can knock 20 to 30% off of your wind pool premium. New construction with impact windows, even better discounts. The state's Strengthen Mississippi Homes program was giving out $10,000 grants for exactly this stuff before it ran dry. Word is they're trying to bring it back in 2026. However, it remains paused as of March 2026. The insurance commissioner and coastal legislators are pushing hard for restoration. However, as of today, no money has been put back into the program. I will keep you posted. Common roof fail points may include the roof attachment. How is the roof deck nailed to the trusses? Are they old nails? Are they spaced correctly? The roof shape. Hip roofs, which are sloped on all sides, are better than gable ends, which can act a bit like sails in a heavy wind. Opening protection. Do the windows and doors have approved storm shutters or impact resistant ratings? Or are they decorative shutters? Secondary water resistance. Is there a special underlayment on the roof to prevent leaks if the shingles are torn off? Minus the resumption of the grants, those upgrades may come out of your pocket with a return on investment only afterwards, with reduced premium payments over the years. Number two, location, location, location. A house 2 blocks off the beach versus right on the sand can save you thousands a year on wind. I show my clients both sides of the coin, the view and the premium difference. Number three, you're going to want to shop it early. We're not going to wait until contract time. We don't want to wait until home inspection time. I get my buyers 2 or 3 wind quotes before we write the contract. Some private carriers are writing in if your roof is newer and your home is elevated. Some of the majors exclude wind by default and yet have add-on coverage. Where alternatives are available, the wind pool may be the more expensive option. And number 4, you're gonna need to budget like local. When you run your numbers, you may need to add $500 to $1,000 a month for insurance atop your mortgage payment. It's a risk requirement when dealing with the banks. It's the cost of living where the living is good. Look, I avoid scaring people off. However, I've personally had clients change their minds on the Mississippi Gulf Coast because of these rising risk mitigation costs. I've closed hundreds of families on the coast because this place is amazing and there is huge energy coming to the coast. The sunsets, the fresh seafood, the neighbors who check in on you after a storm, that's all real. However, I also refuse to let my clients be blindsided. I want them to know early and prepare. That's why at Double Win Realty, I do things different. I don't just sell you a house. I'm going to make sure the numbers work for the long haul. I'm going to run the insurance scenarios before we even write the offer. I'll connect you with the best local agents who actually understand the wind pool and the risks. And if the insurance makes the deal a no-go, we'll keep looking until it does. Because your peace of mind is part of the closing package, and each home I help you buy is backed by my love it or leave it guarantee. If you don't love the home I helped you buy within the next 18 months, I will resell it for free, subject to terms and conditions, and I despise working for free. So if you're thinking about making the move to the Mississippi Gulf Coast, drop me a comment below. Or, shoot me a text or a DM. My phone number and email address are in the video description. And I promise, I answer my own phone. Right? Or you can go to doublewinrealty.net/contact and schedule your free zero obligation real estate consultation via Zoom. I'll find you the home that you love and that you can actually afford to keep. I get my clients priority access to everything that's on the market, as well as access to unlisted and off-market homes and for sale by owners that you may not find online. Thanks for learning and informing yourself on the challenges of life on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. I got a favor to ask. Please click the like button and subscribe. I create real talk real estate every week. And do remember, I donate 10% of the income earned from your business referrals to Crusaders for Veterans, which helps out financially distressed vets across the Gulf Coast, or the Wildlife Rehabilitation Outpost, helping out the possums, squirrels, owls, and raccoons. Please help me help the vets and the wild pets. I'm Micah Tinkler, and I'll see you right here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.